Marcy, you were a great employee for me for these 10 years, but I am so sorry when I say I have to let you go. So if you could please turn on that beautiful vest you have on, and if you could close up shop one last time. Oh, Marcy, please kill that fucking bird, too.
I'm keeping the vest. You know they won't fix the washing machine in my building, and I can't afford a laundromat. I'm wearing a bikini top as a bra right now, Puzzles. I need this.
I'm trash.
Puzzles, I told Alan that I had sent the rent check, but I hadn't even written the rent check yet. I'm gonna be in so much trouble.
Dead end job, little hearts agree, nowhere to go, nowhere to run.
I mean, I know Latin
And Greek.
and Latin.
Latin and Greek.
Latin and Greek.
Latin.
And Greek.
Latin.
And Greek.
Latin.
Puzzles. How am I gonna make rent next week? I can't take foot pics. My phone camera isn't that good.
Got an iPhone.
Like I can afford an iPhone, Puzzles. Puzzles, I'm gonna be homeless.
Unhoused.
What